Okay guys, so this is currently my favorite brand of pancakes. So much protein and it tastes good too. They come in many different flavors, but this one is one of my favorites, dark chocolate, because it's not too sweet and it tastes super rich. I'm sure you guys will love this. If you enjoy my channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. So basically, I'm just sharing with you one of the ways which you can enjoy your pancakes for breakfast. Layering it up with fruits will keep you full for longer, therefore you won't have any cravings till your next meal time. This chocolate ganache is absolutely free of sugar, so you can have it guilt-free and enjoy it till the last bite. Doesn't that sound good? And if you're looking to save time, go ahead and grab a larger pan and make 2 or 3 cakes at a time. But as most of us already know, pancakes are super quick to make, and if they're high in protein like these are, then it's definitely worth the wait. And no, these are not burnt. They do look like it, but I promise you they're not. This is just the way it's going to turn out since it is dark chocolate. So please don't fear burning them and leave them undercooked, because a lot of people actually don't cook their pancakes well enough because they're afraid that they will burn them. But it's definitely not burnt, and I promise you that. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That's what they say, and I definitely do agree. Because if you don't start your day right, nothing will go as planned. A full tummy is a happy tummy. Don't you agree? So our delicious protein pancakes are ready. This here will serve 2 or even more depending on your appetite. Well, I hope you enjoyed this breakfast idea. Please do subscribe to my channel to stay connected. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. Take care, eat well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Undefined.